Right up there. Right there, right there, right there. That's where Mike used to work when we met and got engaged. Aw, everybody say aw. Aw. Okay, so now we're gonna go to our favorite donut shop in the whole wide world. There are no donuts better ever, anywhere. Ever. Don't send me your donuts, because I know they don't compare.
Actually, please do.
Okay, Ellie says, please do send the donuts. She wants to compare.
Ellie is very open to testing.
Ellie's
types of foods.
Ellie's open to testing, huh? And then you try not to get killed turning into the donut house. Ooh. There's the donut house.
On the other side of the road.
Right there. Don't hit this tourist. They're open! Woo!
The donut house.
The donut house.
Thank you, sir. Ooh, we got here. Okay, so we're here late, but normally they have a whole lot more, but we're late.
And all of those racks will be filled up too. We're talking 3,000 to 5,000 on a busy day.
3,000 to 5,000 is how many you do a day?
Well,
Wow,
a busy day.
a busy day?
Week,
Yeah.
A lot.
So how many years have you guys been in business?
Since 75.
Since 1975. Woo! Cool. There you go. Okay. Break the diet. No, not really. There's the great big slide. The kids love the great big slide. Their favorite thing. Great big slide. Love it, love it, love it. So here's the Great Alluvial Fan. 1982, there was a big flood from a dam broke, and then in 2013, 5 years ago, the new flood came. This is the flood we keep talking about right there. All that. So then over here we have proof that the flood happened. So right here, this sign used to be about 5 or 6 feet tall, and now this sign is almost buried. There you go. So that's the alluvial fan. Okay, fall is starting. Yay, my favorite season. Fall is starting. Woohoo. Okay, so we're gonna be entering our favorite picnic spot. Okay, the best donut in the whole wide world. What do you think, Jack? Does it melt?
It's delicious.
Does it melt in your mouth?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Dave. The best donut in the whole wide world. What do you think? You know, smoke follows beauty.
So we're just getting it started.
Okay, there goes Ellie. Okay, here's Mom's snack right here. Salami. Yeah, that's what Mom's eating. Here we go. Does it melt in your mouth?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, show the inside.
Mm-hmm. Mm.
Best donuts in the whole wide world, but send us yours if you want Ellie to try them. This is Mom's favorite park. I sit here with my book. And then I sit here with my book. And then I sit here with my book. And then I sit here with my book. And that's all I do is sit here with my book.
wonder if that's Jimmy from last time we were here.
That's Jimmy from the last time we were here?
It might be. And it looks exactly like him. Or it might just be Jimmy's family member. Because he has the whole black tail and lighter body.
Yeah.
I saw Jimmy last at the campground. I'm not sure how he managed to get over the river.
Maybe that's his cousin. His cousin Jamie. Wow, Jack.
Wait.
We found a pretty awesome place.
That's cool.
So we
Been here.
came up that ridge through the trees over there. Then we found this little higher spot. You can see past it. It's beautiful. Hope the camera can catch it.
Huh?
Wow.
Wowzers.
Wowzers. Pretty, huh? Of course, we still have rain coming down. And we are on a high spot here. No lightning so far. Although there are higher spots around us. Wow.
Wow. Just wow.
Just wow.
See the smoke from the fires in the picnic area.
Yep, that's the picnic area down there. And then this looks back towards Estes Park. And it's pretty cool.
Make sure not to fall off that.
That's a little rainstorm that was running over us a little bit ago when we packed up everything. But right now, no rain yet. Bit of drizzle. More adventure, Jack?
I mean, there's not really much we can do now, but
We'll walk around a little more and then we can go back to the campsite.
yeah.
Okay, so we had fun on our picnic. We are gonna go home and make some pumpkin bread. So, did you have fun on our picnic?
Oh my goodness, we should have actually recorded that up there. Oh, we already did record it up there.
You got a
it was
little bit
super
of video.
pretty, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna go make some pumpkin bread. Yum! This recipe for pumpkin bread is in our Dining on a Dime cookbook on page 100. You may use gluten-free or regular flour for this recipe. My pumpkin bread got just a little bit browned on top because I forgot to put my aluminum foil on there. Let's cut a piece off. See the yummy goodness? Oh, you gotta love pumpkin bread. Put some cream cheese frosting on there and you will have the perfect pumpkin bread. Please like, subscribe, and share, and visit us at livingonadime.com.